Okay, hello everyone, my name is Funman and here I'm doing a demonstration of the Schlenk Line using different point of view from within the fume hood, my perspective and 360 view. Okay, so now you can't see anything. Let's have some lights on of the fume hood. Now before you start to do any experiments in the lab, you need to have your goggles, gloves, lab coat, PPE on. Okay, you see this protected layer of a sash. This prevents any chemical spill from within and it's very good later on. So now let's leave it up. We need some more lights. Lights on please! Okay, now it's better. Good. So what you see here is the two-way manifold of a Schlenk line that connects to your nitrogen source in this tubing towards the right side, and to the left you will connect to your vacuum pump. For the nitrogen source, you see that on the right side there are two knobs here. The one in the blue is the one that you are supposed to adjust, the main switch. So you turn it so that you have a lot of nitrogen gas flowing in, but we need to control the amount of N2 gas towards the round bottom flask in order not to agitate our reaction mixture too quickly. So that's why we had the oil bubbler here to show what is the rate of flow of N2 gas inside the Schlenk line. Now to control the Schlenk line nitrogen source flow, you can look at this knob here, pressure gauge. So you rotate, see the dot here means you are increasing the power intensity. Observe. I rotate it clockwise and slowly. What do you monitor? Watch this space. Oh, it's too vigorous. So now you tune it down a bit. You see, now I put my head inside the fume hood because there's no chemicals, but suppose you have some chemicals inside there, you need to put the sash down and then you see, and you tune it from here. Okay? Look through the sash. So now the rate of bubbling is lower, which is to our desired rate. Good. On the left, you connect to your vacuum pump, and you see that before you tune your stopcock, it's all horizontal so that we are not having the rubber tubing towards the nitrogen source or the vacuum pump. You see? So let's turn on the vacuum pump. You look down to your bottom left here, outside the fume hood. You see that there's a button, switch for the pump, connecting to a pump, very powerful pump, right? Make sure that this stopcock is turned off to allow no air going in. Then next, pump on. Listen to the sound, you heard it right? Good. So now the pump is on. How do you check whether it's working alright? You take out one of these four rubber tubing and you see my glove here. Through my glove, the third stopcock, we need to place it upwards to show there's vacuum. So see, no vacuum, with vacuum. Oh, I can pull it out. Do you see that? It's sucking. So it works very well, okay? Back here again, it's still sucking because there was initial pressure, but now no more. Turn it off. What about nitrogen source? Let's give it a try. So I put a bit of flap here, okay? Nitrogen, here we go. I feel some air, but you might not see it here. Doesn't matter, believe me. Okay, always trust your instructor here. Okay, next step, notice that we have a cold trap here to lower the temperature of the Schlenk line because we need to remove all the trace solvents from a Schlenk line to make it moisture free. So what do we do to lower the temperature of this cold trap? We use liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen, you might get cold burn, so we need to have some safety precautions. You see my sister here, Hafiz, is now wearing the cryogenic glove. Every time you're working with liquid nitrogen, you have to wear this kind of thick protective glove, okay? And suppose inside you have liquid nitrogen, you always seal it off with polystyrene, so not to allow evaporation of the liquid nitrogen. Then let's simulate the pouring process. So normally if it's filled with liquid nitrogen, you open the lid and you see white fumes coming out from here, and then he'll do the transfer to a smaller dual flask, okay? And after doing so, right, we'll always use a little rag to put on the top first, again to prevent it from vaporizing it, lifting it up and put it inside there, okay? And you remove the rag for a moment of time, put it through the cold trap, okay? And then next we need to make sure that the cold trap is being submerged into the liquid nitrogen. So first of all, we use a rack here to stopper the exit, okay, just stopper it, and next we will adjust the jack, just jack it up until it's at this level. So here we will be doing that for you. Now the last thing you see is, notice how the bubble is not flowing. You need to make sure that there's some N2 gas. So again, okay, there's airflow. Notice there are 4 rubber tubings, which means that at any point of time you can have 4 different setups inside the same Schlenk line. Having vacuum, nitrogen gas is up to you. So that's all for this introduction of the Schlenk line. I hope you learn well, revise well, and have a terrific nice day. See you.